Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a fun plan with me. This is another all for fun, but fake plan with me. Okay, it is basically I crowdsourced some fake plans from y'all on Instagram about the holidays, and you gave me a lot of good ideas, and then I split them up across the days, and we're going to build a spread together. This, again, it's just for fun. This is my play planner, and I have this kit that I want to use. I just want to have the experience of using it. I think it's beautiful, but I just don't have a spot in my planner now that I'm just down to one kit planner. So I'm really excited to use this because I haven't used it yet. It's called All Aboard from the Crafty Banana. It is themed for the Polar Express. It's absolutely beautiful. This is kit 2. I decided to go for the non-scene kit this time because I knew I wanted to do this activity. So here are the full boxes. I am going to be incorporating the scene. The bottom washi is so beautiful, and we have an extra box here, which I think I'm going to use. Then we have the checklists, the deco, which is super cute, and boxes, some headers and little things, some labels and icons, some washi. The weekend banner is really pretty too. I want to incorporate that. And then I also have the little freebie, which is adorable, and then the glitter sampler, which is so beautiful. I think I want to color block this week just for funsies. I'm just really excited to do this, and all of your plans were so fun, and some of them are like kind of traditional, and I had to look up one of them because I didn't know exactly what it was, the Feast of Seven Fishes, but I read up on it. It was very interesting. It's an Italian tradition. Very cool. So I'm just really excited to do this, and if you did like contribute to the plans that I'm putting in this spread, let me know down in the comments because I want to know. This is a little interactive today. So let's get into it. So I'm starting with the beautiful bottom washi. This is so fun. It's like a starry night. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to go to the date covers and the glitter hitters. So because I'm color blocking this week, I wanted to be sure to match the order of the date covers. So I made sure to look at those first. Every shop is different in their order. Some of them go like 4, or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and some go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So if you know what I'm talking about with like the order of the glitter headers, this one was the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern. So I am repeating everything except for the light purple, and I'm just getting those in, and then we're going to go to the weekend banner here, which is so cute, and then to the sidebar. So I'm going to pull in 2 full boxes, one at the top and one at the bottom, mainly just to fill space since this is a play spread. And then I'm going to fill in the sidebar with some a fake habit and some like fake to-dos, which I actually forgot to check off, but that's okay. Let's just say we did them. So I put in the reminder header and a full box checklist, and then 1 habit tracker and a glitter box. And then I just used this glitter header to fill a little bit of space. So on the reminder box, it took me a minute to get that habit tracker in, like squeezed into the right space. And then I'm going to put in some reminders, just some things to collect for the week. And then just decorating here a little bit at the top to fill that white space. So what am I needing reminders for? Presents, homemade jam, cookies, popcorn, Chex Mix, and butter cookies. The only time of the year I ever eat butter cookies is around Christmas time, and they are so good. And then I just pulled in this Fox and Pip sticker, which is so cute, and put Merry Christmas on the little half box there. And I had a bunch of hot chocolate that week, apparently. And then I pulled in this coffee cup from Paper and Milk and one of the washi strips to mark in that I went to a Starbucks, probably for some hot chocolate. That's in my sidebar. And then I opened up this spread to go ahead and figure out my placement for the full boxes. And I'm going to have to turn the spread every which way to line up all of these full boxes. So I decided to start with this scene. So I put in those boxes first, and then I'm just opening it up to kind of measure exactly where it needed to go on the other side. And I kind of just very loosely estimated and used my ruler just to kind of check my work there. And then for the other full boxes, I knew that I wanted to kind of stagger them a little bit. So I put one down on a Monday and then one on a Saturday and Sunday. Just kind of fitting them in so that they're not lined up directly with the scene. There we go. And then going back to Monday, I am pulling out a lot of stuff from like samplers and from my winter sticker book that I keep. And this sticker is from the Crafty Banana. It's so cute. And the first thing that people suggested, well, really the second, because Starbucks for hot chocolate was one of them, was to drive around and look at Christmas lights, which is one of my favorite activities. I like to combine the Starbucks hot chocolate with that. I haven't done it this year, but I will very soon. And then I pulled in a little thing to mark in family time. Several people suggested that, which I think is, something that I wanted to put in too. And then for movies, so I put out a call for favorite holiday movies. I got quite the list, and I pulled out a lot of the repeats. And one of them was, of course, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. That's not my favorite Christmas movie. I don't love it. I don't hate it either. It's just like not one of my favorites. But I wanted to put it in here because y'all suggested it multiple times. And I used a little Crafty Banana sticker for that. And then this Once More with Love letter is to mark in dropping off a letter for Santa. May have been a little bit too late on the 20th, but better late than never. And then this half box down here is to mark in going to see the Nutcracker, which a couple of people suggested as well. And I haven't seen it in person in quite a while, but I love the ballet. Dance is definitely, I'm not talented enough to be a dancer, but it's one of my passions of things to watch, along with any kind of theater or musical theater. And I love the Nutcracker. It's just a classic. And then on Tuesday here, I'm putting in a little label with this funny little cat in the green sweater. And a couple of people talked about putting a pickle on the tree, like a pickle ornament. I personally hate pickles. The smell of them turns my stomach. And so that's why I picked this sticker for that. And it's a green sweater. But I just thought that was funny. And then I pulled in this pumpkin paper co-girl to mark in cookie swap with neighbors. I know my mom does this, or at least she brings cookies to the neighbors, but someone talked about cookie swap, and I thought that was a really fun thing to include. And then I'm pulling in this half box to mark in, I think it was a movie, yes. Watching the Polar Express. So I pulled in some of the deco with the train. I just thought that was a cool sticker and put that across the bottom. Then this glitter label is to mark making a gingerbread house. And I have a little Crafty Banana sticker for that. And then below that one, I wanted to squeeze in a couple more things. So I pulled in this piece of washi just to kind of fill some space. And then I wrote directly on the paper about making a holiday playlist. And someone talked about how they do that with their cousins, which I think is so adorable, just to sit around and choose songs for the playlist, which that just sounds so cozy and cute. So I put that down at the bottom with a fox and cactus sticker. And then I pulled out a couple of these Poor Little Pepper stickers, which I didn't use all of them, but I thought they were so cute. And I just forgot to use the wrapping paper one, which I just kind of left it on my coil and forgot about it. On Wednesday, I started with this Sweet Bean Plans Christmas tray, and I marked spending morning with family. And then this fox and cactus sticker with the TV screen on it, I'm using that to mark in watching The Grinch. That is one of my favorite Christmas movies. It's just so funny. Every time I watch it, it's so cute. I like the Jim Carrey one. It's adorable, but I also enjoy the cartoon as well. And then on the little thing, I put in baking cookies. And then down below the scene, I'm using a piece of washi to mark in buying a present for yourself. Someone suggested that they or told me that they set aside time for that, which I thought that was cool. And then on this half box down here, I put in a little cookie sticker, and I'm just gonna write on it, away from the coil, that apparently this person that suggested this, their family tradition was you can eat anything you want as long as you eat a vegetable. So I think that's a fair rule on a holiday week. Then I pulled in this pumpkin paper co-girl to mark in family photos, which I think that's a great idea. You know, like how often do you have all of your family together like that? You can get all dressed up and get some family photos taken. And then I'm going to use this half box to mark in making homemade ornaments. And I also just pulled a little snowball sticker. So for the homemade ornaments, I decided a candle would be really good for that. So I picked this one that kind of matched the kit with candy cane on it. My sister made these little handprint ornaments out of salt dough for with my nephew's hand in it, and I still have them. They're so sweet, and I'm just really scared I'm gonna break them, but they're just so cute and I treasure them. And then below the scene, I put in the movie marquee with a little piece of deco from the kit to mark in watching the Santa Claus. That's one of my faves. I just really love that movie. And then above that, the scene, I put in this glitter box for a snowball fight. And then a lot of people said they watched Die Hard, which I like that movie too. And then at the bottom of the column, I'm kind of skipping around in this particular column here, but I'm just fitting in a couple things at the bottom there. One of them was Secret Santa with the extended family. And then another one was having a game night and trying a new game together. So I'm pulling out a game night sticker from Once More with Love and popping that in. And I'm just kind of figuring out where exactly I wanted to put it, but I think that works. And then on the Friday column, several people suggested opening matching PJs or getting matching PJs, something like that. And so on Christmas Eve here, I'm putting in a little gift, which is from the deco. And then I'm also pulling out some things that I'm going to use in a minute. So starting with the gift, this is for the opening matching PJs. And then below that, one person said, you may have one present that you need to wrap. So wrapping a last minute present is probably necessary on the 24th. And then I also wanted to put in something about baking and baking special holiday gifts together on Christmas Eve. And so there's the wrapping last minute gift. I love that Fox and Cactus sticker. It's so cute. But dinner was a big thing on the 24th, and there were a couple of things that people mentioned. One of them was, making some kind of special treat together. And then one of them, the one that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, was the Feast of Seven Fishes, which is an Italian tradition. And someone talked about making homemade pasta. So I put those together kind of because Italian food and pasta go together in my mind. So on the half box, I just pulled a glass of red wine to put with that, which probably doesn't go with fish. But anyway, it looks cute. And that was a really fascinating tradition. And I think that's really cool. And then at the very bottom, you have to put out milk and cookies for Santa. I couldn't find a milk and cookie sticker. I know I have one somewhere. I couldn't place where it would be. So I decided to go with a candle that says milk and cookies because that seems like the next best thing. And it fits in the space and looks cute. And then I'm going to go to Christmas Day on Saturday First thing, opening stockings, and I love doing stockings with my family. It's just kind of a fun, like, intro activity, maybe even before breakfast, and then cooking breakfast together. A lot of people talked about, like, some kind of Christmas breakfast. In my family, we usually do a, like, breakfast casserole. It's really good. It's got, like, green chilies and sausage in it. It's delicious. Also, we've done, like, cinnamon rolls, so that's why I pulled this sticker. And then, of course, opening presents. So I have this crafty banana sticker to put below that. That looks cute. And then several people mentioned a nap. You need a nap because it's just a lot going on during this week. So I used a little thing for that. And then my favorite Christmas movie is Elf. So I saved that one for Christmas Day. And this cute little fox and cactus sticker is actually watching Elf, which is so cute. And then at the bottom, I'm going to pull in this funny emoji face from the Crafty Banana from, it was either my sampler or Kristen's sampler, but the saran wrap game, I've seen it done. We've never done it in my family, but I think it's hilarious and I do want to do it with my family someday. I think it would be really fun. So I put that at the bottom of Christmas Day. And then on the 26th, or Sunday here, I put in Love Actually. That seems like a really good, like, after Christmas movie. And then I put in this note about strolling the downtown streets and just kind of relaxing a little bit. So I put in Watch Home Alone and this cute pumpkin paper Coke sticker. And then on the half box at the bottom, I'm going to put in that, like, some people play bingo for cash as a fun, like, after Christmas or Christmas activity. And then above that, I put in this one was mine, eating leftover pie and having some coffee. So I put in this pie sticker, and I'm going to add a coffee cup in a moment. I just think that looks so cute. And then just to finish up the spread, I'm just adding a little bit more of the dots and the deco. So I really wanted to use the coffee cup, so I just layered it over the pie. And then I'm taking all of these little dots. Sorry, I'm not fully in frame for this, but you get the idea. I'm just adding them. I think it really kind of brings the whole spread together. I don't even think I needed to add foil to this week because this kit is so colorful and vibrant, and it just has its own kind of style going on. So I'm glad I kind of forewent the foil and just stuck to the kit. Here's the finished spread. This was so fun to put together. Thank you all again for contributing to the plans for this spread. I hope that you enjoyed just taking a minute and relaxing and having some fun with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!